How to deposit check on Capital One Bank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser and then move into the official site of Capital One. Enter a login credential and log into a specific account. Once you're in this page, at the very top, click on Transfers and Deposits. And if you're on your desktop, tap on Image Upload. Certain instructions in order to add or deposit will be given to you. Once you're clear about it, tap on Continue at the bottom. Once you're done entering the check information, the next thing you want to do is to upload your image. Upload the front of the check and also the back of the check. Once you've uploaded both of the files, tap on Deposit Now at the bottom right corner. If all the information are correct, then your check will be deposited successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.